Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing this soft summer smoky eye. So if you would like to see how you can create this look, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I have already done my foundation and concealer, and I have baked under my eyes, so we can just get started on the eyeshadow. Alright, so I'm going to zoom you in. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in to the Too Faced White Chocolate Bar. I love this palette. It has very, very nice neutrals with a really couple fun little colors in there. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this big rounded Morphe brush, and we're going to go in with cookie dough, which is this color right here. We're going to sweep that all across the eye. So then with this smaller Morphe brush, we're going to take this one right here. This is called chocolate syrup. It's a nice brown tone. We're going to place that in the center of the eye. And just start to sweep it out to the outer corner. Now we're going to go in with the color below that, which is Smoked Sea Salt. It's this nice chocolate, deep espresso kind of color. Use this brush, we're going to pop it into the corner. And just work it into the crease. And sweeping this out just a little bit. So then we're going to take Indulge, which is this guy right here. I'm going to use that same flat Morphe brush that we used in the center of the eyes. I'm going to take that and we're going to start to just blend that into the center and help to create a little bit of a spotlight. Then take Pearl Candy, which is this nice sparkly white color right here. And we're going to use this little short brush right here, and we're going to take that and we're going to start to pack that in and sweep it out from here to here. So now I'm going to take, oh, now I'm going to zoom you back in. So now I'm going to take Lavender Cake, which is this periwinkle purple kind of color. And I'm going to use this almond-shaped Morphe brush. I'm going to take this and I'm going to pack this into the outer corner and start to bring it into the center here. Help transition, I'm going to use this gluten-free right here. And now I will take my Morphe brush that I use to remove all of the under eye. Okay, so I am going to do liner and lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have done lashes and liner. I used my Stila Stay All Day. The lashes are Ardell Wispies, and I cut them down just a little bit. And for mascara, I use my Better Than Sex by Too Faced. This is the waterproof version. Alright, so now we are going to go ahead and contour. And I have been really loving this little Kevyn Aucoin contour set. This is out of the Makeup Beauty book. I'll show you the... This is Making Faces Beauty book by Kevyn Aucoin, and you get 3 different books inside of this. It's all different kinds of like ideas and things like that. So yeah, I've been using this top color right here to contour. I'm going to take my angled brush here and tap tap. And then to contour my nose, I'm going to take this little guy, that same color. For blush today, I'm going to be using Tarte Parte. This is one of their Amazon clay blushes. And I actually love this color because it's not too pink. Sometimes things on my skin can go too pink. And the highlighter I'm going to be using is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfecting Pressed Powder, and this is the Pearl, and I got this not too long ago. See, it's like white, like nice white blinding. I've been loving this. So I'm going to take a fan brush and just get in there. And take it down here. We'll do Cupid's bow, and then nice little center line down the nose. To blend it all together, I'm going in with the MAC Fix Studio Fix Foundation. I just give that a little twirl and I start to blend it out. And fill in my molds. And to set everything down, we're going to use the Makeup Revolution. This is the Ghost Baking Powder. And to finish everything off, we are going to do lips. I'm going to line them with Boldly Bare. This is one of the MAC lip liners. And then for lipstick today, we are going to use the Modesty, which is a cream sheen from MAC. Alright guys, so I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of me, please hit the subscribe button and the bell, and you will get notified when I post new videos. I will see you guys soon. Bye!